can I get over? I was like, whoa. I was like, I can't believe I'm this wet. Hey Nation, welcome back to the channel, guys. Guys, today is actually going to be part 2 of the NutraBlast review that I did. If throughout the video, if I haven't already, I will actually populate the link for this actual product, because I actually did a review about 7 days ago. Well, about 8 days today. I did a review on this actual product that was sent to me. It was a company that reached out to me. They wanted me to do a review. They have like different things for like anti-aging, things of that nature, but they really are specialized in women's health. But of course, guys, I'm sorry, I'm itching. This dress is itchy. Y'all gotta excuse me. I think it's the washing powder that I use. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and get our housekeeping out the way, okay? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn that notification bell on, so when I post, you guys can get the latest and greatest on what's going on inside the nation, all right? Okay, so back to the review. So, where do I start? I mean, they're all good things, though. I must say that they're all good things. Okay, so, okay, that's what I'm saying. Like a week ago, I did, they reached out to me. I did a review, just going over their products. They gave me some applicators to insert the suppository inside my vagina. They also gave me like a pH testing strip where I could test my vaginal pH as well. So I just did the review on it. I had yet to try the product at that time. It was just a review, kind of going over like different reviews that I had seen online to treat like, this product is really good for treating like if you suffer from like BV, bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, you have itching, discharge down there, uncomfortableness down there, odor, things of that nature. That just comes with honestly being a woman. That's one of those things that a lot of women, we don't want to talk about, but it's common, it's natural. We all have had it or have dealt with it at one point in time, or at least multiple times. So we're trying to combat it, we're trying to fight it, just, you know, different things. So I went over all of that in the first review. So the first video, I'm sorry. So in the first video, at that time, I had bathed with some soap that I wasn't supposed to, and it broke the kid out. So I had like, honestly, a full-on yeast infection. It was miserable, okay? Miserable. Okay, guys, so, but I started taking the product. I started using the product. The first day I used it, I really honestly didn't notice a difference. My first day of using it, I used it because like the packaging said to use it consecutively for 7 days, preferably at night before you go to bed. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I wasn't using it every night before bed, like, so because my sleeping regimen is off. It was 7 days consecutively, but it was like the first day I used it when I got up in the morning, if that makes sense. So I was like using it in the morning, like it was a part of my routine, like getting ready for work. Like, you know, once you got in the shower, then I was like using it. So it was 7 days consecutively. It just was not at night for me because my sleeping regimen is weird. It's off. So the first day, I know I said I was going to vlog it on the side note. I'm sorry, y'all, but I didn't vlog it. Once I was going through it, I realized it was kind of nothing to vlog. But, okay, so the first day, sorry. I didn't really notice the change. I didn't notice any of that. The second day, I kind of noticed like the odor was not there. I'm spitting there. The odor was not there as strong, to be honest with you. It started going away kind of really around the second, third day. The fourth day, I really noticed a change. Like, it wasn't like an odor. It wasn't itching. I didn't have the discharge. But one thing I can say, ladies, is wear a panty liner. Wear a panty liner, sis. Wear you a panty liner. That's all I'm going to say. Get you some panty liners. So you definitely going to need them. Even if you're wearing them at night, you gonna need your panty liner. But so I really noticed mine around like the 4th day. And let me see. So everything was cool, you know. The odor started going away. It wasn't, the itching kind of, like I said, the itching kind of went away like on the 2nd day. The discomfort down there that I usually have, because I usually, like, I get inflamed. Like, it's horrible. It's a big ordeal. It's horrible. But so that went away around the 2nd day, the odor and everything. I was like done really by the 4th day, but I continued to take it as a just in case measure. Like it said 7 days, so even though it was gone on day 4, I'm gonna finish it out for 3 more days just in case. I didn't know. So by the end of it, I did feel a lot better. I can't say I went and got waxed. Usually if I get waxed, I'll be like, ugh. I'm kind of like touch and go with it, depending on where I go. But I go to this one place, so it was cool. Usually after I get waxed, I feel very irritated and irritable down there. I didn't this time. I didn't. So I wasn't irritated. I didn't experience any discharge, any leakage, or anything of that nature. So I really do like that. So, and again, this is a very natural product. This is a very holistic product. So this will be very good for ladies to use that do suffer from, because a lot of ladies do suffer from constant yeast infections, constant BV. That's something that's constant. To keep having to take antibiotics and things of that nature. This is good as a natural approach where you can actually take it and actually make it a part of your natural regimen. So that's really good as well. I'm trying to think what else as I've gone through the process that I noticed now that I'm at the very end. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna share this with y'all because y'all Sheen Nation. So after that, that's it, because this is like a short and sweet video. Okay, so after it was done or whatever, you know, I was feeling good. You know, I don't want to get waxed or whatever, right? So, you know, I like to take time, you know, for my lady parts and, you know, please myself. If you get my drift, please myself. You know, after I got waxed or whatever, I got home, you know, I was feeling a little frisky with myself. I felt good, you know. I didn't feel like I was broken down there. You know, then I had got waxed. So I was feeling good, right? So it's feeling good, right? Y'all, it was, I'm trying to figure out how to say this. It was like wetter. Honey, look. Oh, I know. Ah. Yes, I didn't know how to say it. So it made me like, you know, I felt like I was restored back to my normal. It make you feel like your vagina's back, baby. It make you feel like you like, you know what I'm saying? Like you can just cock your leg open. You're feeling good. You feel like you got yourself together back there. You feel more confident. And when I say it was wetter, oh my God. I was like, damn. I was like, is this the pills or what is it? But I can honestly say it was like wetter. I was like, whoa, what is this? What is happening to my body? Child, honey, look and listen. When I get a man, that's a topic for like another video. But I'm going to just say this, ladies. If you have not tried this product, you need to. Because, honey, look and listen. Baby, I mean, between, of course, you know, addressing the main issue, which is, of course, women's health. And, you know, just getting our bodies back to where we're feeling good, feeling natural, feeling okay, all right. You know, more confident when our, not just our physical health, but our feminine health and our feminine hygiene as well. And then to top it off, honey, and to be wetter for women that suffer from, you know, maybe you have both issues. A lot of women have both issues. They get yeast infections and BV, and they don't be as wet like that. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a psychological thing, so it's in your head. You know what I'm saying? But honey, to combat that and then turn around and, you know, you are like a leaky faucet down there in a good way. That's a good feeling, baby. That is an awesome feeling. So, I mean, I'm just saying, I just cannot get over. I was like, whoa. I was like, I can't believe I'm this wet. I cannot believe it. But y'all just gotta, I mean, that was just like, okay, so I'm in the video. Okay, guys, so we have reached the end of the video. I'm going to save that topic for another video. But, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn the notification bell on so that you guys can get the latest and greatest on what's going on inside the nation. And until next time, She Nation, bye.